So let's fix these photos. As you can see, these photos have a lot purple color and dark light. So the background is purple too much. So I will use the same software that you have, something similar in my PC. You will find the same option in your computer. So look here, I have now here these tools. You have it in your phone, in your computer, sorry. So what we need to do, first of all, we need to fix the pink. We have a lot pink in this background, so we need to slide from pink to green to fix the pink color. Now the pink color is going. Now we have a little bit warmer, so we need to slide to blue. Now everything is fixed. Then we need to fix the lighting issues in the main course of the food. So this is shadow. I will increase the shadows around 35. Then we need to have half of this 35 and put it contrast. So around 15, 16 depend. And half of the contrast we need to put saturation. So around 7, 8 saturation, and boom, and this is the result.